Do one push-up right now. Seriously, just one. I'll wait. Done? Good. That push-up was wrong. I don't even need to see it because 95% of people do push-ups the exact same broken way. And they've been doing it like that for years. Same bad form, thousands of reps, zero awareness. And it's costing you everything. Your chest isn't growing, your shoulders are slowly getting damaged, and every rep you do is barely 30% effective. You're putting in the effort, but getting 1/3 of the results. And the worst part? Only 5 small mistakes are causing all of this. Just 5. Fix them, and push-up becomes one of the most powerful exercises you can do, anywhere, without the gym. Let's fix this. First, understand this. Push-up is not a beginner exercise. People treat it like warm-up, punishment, school guy exercise. But gymnasts still do it, fighters still do it, special forces still do it. Because when done right, it builds real strength. But you learned it once and never fixed it, so every rep made it worse. Let's correct it. Mistake number 1. This is destroying your shoulders right now. Look at your push-up from above. Your body forms a T shape, elbows fully flared out. Feels strong, but it's dangerous. Because in that position, your shoulder joint gets crushed. Every rep, your tendons are getting pinched. Slowly, silently, damage builds. Fix? Simple. Bring your elbows in, around 45 degrees. Now your body looks like an arrow, not a T. Arrow, not T. Instantly safer, stronger, better chest activation. No downside, but nobody told you. Now mistake number 2. This is why your chest still looks flat. Watch most people do push-ups. Their arms move, body goes up and down, but their shoulder blades? Frozen, not moving at all. That's the problem. Your chest cannot fully contract without shoulder blade movement. So every rep you've been doing is incomplete. Half reps, half results. Fix this. At the top of the push-up, don't just lock your arms, push further. Spread your shoulder blades apart. Push the floor away from you. That last small movement, that's the part you've been missing for years. Now, mistake number 3. Invisible but powerful. Your core is weak during push-ups. Your hips drop, your lower back bends, your body becomes soft, like a loose rope. And when your body is loose, power leaks. Instead of pushing the floor, you're just trying to hold yourself together. Fix it. Before every rep, squeeze your glutes. Brace your core like someone is about to punch you. Your body should feel like a solid beam. Not soft, not relaxed, tight, controlled, strong. Now mistake number 4. This one hurts ego. Fast reps. People chase numbers, 20, 30, 50 push-ups, but every rep is fast, uncontrolled, bouncing. That's not training, that's just falling and catching yourself. Your muscles are barely working. Fix this. Slow down. Take 2 to 3 seconds going down. Pause at the bottom, then push up with control. Now every rep has tension, and tension builds muscle, not numbers. Now the last mistake, the most dangerous one. At the bottom of your push-up, your shoulders collapse forward. Your chest caves in. Your joints take all the stress. No pain at first, but over time, damage builds silently. Fix it. At the bottom, pull your shoulder blades back and down. Keep your chest open and keep your shoulders behind your hands. Now your joints are safe and your chest works harder. Now combine everything. Elbows at 45 degrees, core tight, slow movement, full stretch, full squeeze. That's one real push-up. And trust me, 5 perfect reps like this are better than 50 fake ones. Now do this. Drop down and do one push-up with everything you just learned. Feel your chest, feel your core, feel the difference. Then come back and comment one thing, not even close. Because I promise you, it won't feel like the same exercise. And if you want the next level, there's another exercise people mess up even worse. I'll show you that next.